Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sky of your videos on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here. I'm just going to simply copy and paste that, and I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select auto cutout. Then I'm going to select this video. I'm just going to select mask, horizontal, and I'm just going to split it this way, kind of like where the line is, and I'm just going to feather that out. Then I'm just going to find like the sky that I want to add. You can add in anything you want. For instance, like even this one, these ones maybe. It's going to look a little bit like out of place though because of the color. But you can add that if you like to. The video isn't long enough, so I'm trying to find one that is a little bit longer. Maybe like this one. And I'm just going to adjust it so it's a little bit brighter. And I'm also going to adjust the saturation and the temp a little bit. And that should kind of be it. It's not going to look like super perfect, but yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!